So continuing with question number 13, okay, of exercise 2.1. A warehouse valued at rupees 40,000 contains goods worth rupees 2,40,000. Warehouse की वैल्यू कितनी है 40,000, गुड्स वर्थ रुपीज 2,40,000. अगेन यहाँ पे दो चीजें दी हुई है, एक तो वेयरहाउस की वैल्यू अलग दी है और उसमें जो गुड्स रखे हुए हैं उसकी वैल्यू अलग है. दैट मीन्स दो प्रॉपर्टी वैल्यूज हैं. सो यू कैन फाइंड लाइक दिस, दैट इज वेयरहाउस and then goods. So the property value okay, property value of warehouse and of goods. So warehouse की property value कितनी दी है 40,000 and goods की property value है what is given 2,40,000. Okay, now further. The warehouse is insured against the fire for rupees 16,000. Insured against the fire. That means this is policy value. Okay. Warehouse का insurance कराया गया है 16,000. Okay. So this is policy value. Policy value is equals to 16,000. And for goods policy value, what is given? And the goods to the extent of 90% of their value. गुड्स की जो पॉलिसी वैल्यू है दैट इज 90% ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी वैल्यू. सो कैलकुलेट 90% ऑफ 2,40,000. दैट इज 90% ऑफ 2,40,000. दैट इज 2,16,000. Okay, 2,16,000. This is the policy value. Okay. Now further what is given? Goods worth rupees 80,000 are completely destroyed. Goods worth rupees 80,000 are completely destroyed, while the remaining goods are destroyed to 80% of their value due to fire. This is the loss given regarding goods. Okay. And for warehouse के लिए क्या दिया है? The damage to the warehouse is to the extent of 8,000. मतलब warehouse का loss हमें calculate करने की जरूरत नहीं है. It is given warehouse is damaged to the extent of 8,000. That means directly the loss is given here. So the loss here is 8,000 and here the loss is, फिर से वो लाइन रीड करो. ओके, जो गुड्स के लॉस के लिए दी हुई है दैट इज goods worth rupees 80,000 are completely destroyed. That means 80,000 plus what is given, while the remaining goods are destroyed to 80% of their value. Remaining goods जो बचे हुए गुड्स थे वो उसका 80% डिस्ट्रॉय हुआ है. तो बचे हुए गुड्स कितने हुए? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द रिमेनिंग गुड्स. ओके, 2,40,000 के कंप्लीट गुड्स थे माइनस 80,000 दैट इज 1,60,000. ओके, 1,60,000 इंटू 80%. जो रिमेनिंग गुड्स थे उसका 80% लॉस हुआ है. ओके, सो 80% ऑफ रिमेनिंग गुड्स. रिमेनिंग गुड्स कैसे फाइंड करोगे? 2,40,000 के गुड्स थे उसमें से 80,000 माइनस करो. इट विल बी it will be 1,60,000. So 80% of 1,60,000, that will be the loss. So your loss here is 80% of 1,60,000, that is 1,28,000. Okay, 1,28,000. Adding these two, it will be 2,08,000. So the complete loss of goods becomes 2,08,000. Now what you have to find for the further calculations, that is find the total amount that can be claimed. So total amount for warehouse and for goods. So you can do either, like you can find the claim amount separately for warehouse and goods and then you can add it, or you can add the losses here, then you can add the property value, then you can add the policy value. Then you have to add everything. So better than that separately find करो, फिर आंसर को ऐड कर लेना. ओके, सो क्लेम अमाउंट फॉर वेयरहाउस इज 8,000 is the loss into policy value that is 16,000 upon property value that is 40,000. Okay. the claim becomes 3200 for warehouse. Okay, find the claim for goods, that is 2,08,000 into policy value is 2,16,000 upon property value. Property value is 2,40,000. Okay, so here the claim amount becomes 1,87,200. 1,87,200. So find total claim. Total claim is equals to 1,87,200 plus 3,200, that is 1,90,400. So this is the total claim amount. Okay, this you have to find in this question. Solution में क्या पूछा उसने? Total claim. और अगर सेपरेट करते हो so that will be easy for you for finding the warehouse claim and goods claim. Okay, I think so you got the solution. Understood? I'm just repeating what you have to do. Property value दोनों की अलग अलग दी है. Policy value गुड्स की कैलकुलेट करना है, वेयरहाउस की डायरेक्टली दी है, लॉस वेयरहाउस का डायरेक्ट दिया है, इसका कैलकुलेट करना है. 80,000 का कंप्लीट लॉस हो गया था, रिमेनिंग गुड्स का 80% लॉस हुआ था. दैट मीन्स 80,000 प्लस 1,28,000 गॉट लॉस 2,08,000. फाइंड क्लेम अमाउंट सेपरेटली, दैट इज लॉस इनटू पॉलिसी वैल्यू अपॉन प्रॉपर्टी वैल्यू. हियर आल्सो लॉस इनटू प्रॉपर्टी वैल्यू इनटू पॉलिसी वैल्यू अपॉन प्रॉपर्टी वैल्यू. So the total claim becomes 1,90,400. Okay, just have a look. Then I'm going to next question. Okay, so now continuing with question number 14. That is the last question of this exercise. Now what is given in question number 14? A person takes a life policy for rupees 2 lakh for a period of 20 years. Okay, so that means the policy value is 2 lakh for a period of 20 years. And the period is here is 20 years. Okay, so if it is given like this, that is period is 20 years, so directly अगर premium नहीं दिया है, so we can calculate the premium for 1 year. How? For 20 years it is 2 lakh. So for 1 year that is 2 lakh divided by 20. Like this you can find the premium amount. ठीक है? अगर premium नहीं दिया है, so you can find like this, that is policy value upon number of period, that is 2 lakh divided by 20. Okay, further what is given here? That is he pays premium for 10 years. 10 years के लिए वो प्रीमियम पे करता है, during which bonus was declared at an average rate of ₹20 per year per 1000. उस टाइम पर बोनस भी डिक्लेयर किया उसने, कंपनी ने बोनस डिक्लेयर की, that is ₹20 per year per 1000. Okay, find the paid up value of the policy if he discontinues paying premium after 10 years. मतलब उसने 10 years तक प्रीमियम पे किया, आफ्टर दैट ही डिसकंटिन्यू. सो हाउ मच अमाउंट ही विल गेट बैक. ओके, कितना उसको मिलेगा 10 years का प्रीमियम पे करने के बाद. ओके, सो कैलकुलेट द प्रीमियम फॉर 10 years प्लस बोनस फॉर 10 years. ओके, बिकॉज द कंपनी हैज डिक्लेयर्ड द बोनस ऑल्सो, दैट इज ₹20 per year per 1000. ओके, सो कैलकुलेट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्रीमियम, दैट इज 2 lakh divided by 20, that is 10,000 per year. Premium becomes 10,000 per year. Okay, now calculate bonus, that is bonus कितना दिया हुआ है, bonus is ₹20 per 1000. Okay, so 2 लाख पर ही बोनस मिलेगा पॉलिसी वैल्यू पर 20 रुपीज पर 1000 पर ईयर. This is also per year. This is also 20 rupees per 1000 per year. So this will be now, that is 4000 per year. Okay. What is asked in the question? Find the paid up value. कितना पे किया है उसने if he discontinues. पे किया है वो पूछा है, ठीक है. कितना पे किया है if he discontinues after 10 years. So calculate premium for 10 years. That is 10,000 into 10. That is 1 lakh. Then bonus for 10 years. That is 4,000 into 10. That is 40,000. So total paid up value becomes 1 lakh plus 40,000. That is 1,40,000. This will be the total paid up value if we discontinues paying premium after 10 years. Okay. So this question was also simple. Nothing else. यहाँ premium directly नहीं दिया है, but it is given that the policy is taken for 20 years. So 1 year premium will be policy value divided by number of years. So 1 year premium is 10,000. तो 1 ईयर का 10,000 है तो 10 ईयर्स का कितना होगा 1 लाख. बोनस डिक्लेयर करना है 20 रुपीज पर 1000 पर ईयर. सो 4000 पर ईयर. सो फॉर 10 ईयर्स इट विल बी 40,000. सो टोटल पेड अप वैल्यू बिकम्स 1 लाख प्लस 40,000. दैट इज 1,40,000. ओके. सो हियर वी हैव कंप्लीटेड एक्सरसाइज 2.1. सो soon after this video I am going to make the video on the topic annuity, because after insurance the next topic in this chapter is annuity. Okay, in a very detail I am going to explain the video, so please watch the video and whatever things you are not getting please let me know. Okay, so bye everyone.